We need to see the feet though. Go back up so we can see the feet, cutie pie.
Can we see your feet?
Erin, can we sit down and show them your cute shoes? You shabaha tushi, shabaha tushi, akshaf. Shabah kisei. Okay, shabaha kisei, akshaf. Shav, shav, is it? Come on, Abba. Shav, and show your feet. Good job. Show me your feet. Show me your feet. Lift them up. Lift them up. Lift up your feet so they can see your feet.
Alright, say bye-bye.
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 Say. And let's show one leg. Show one leg. Show one leg. And then the other leg. Where are your feet? Even wagline, Shalach. Even wagline. Yeah, there's your wagline. Okay, now say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye-bye.